Over the past few years, we've all seen neighborhoods flooded and homes destroyed by wildfires.
Officials now say thousands of structures have burned to the ground. Today, the Pacific Palisades is still on fire.
Every time something like this happens, my feed fills up with messages from people who lost their life savings because their seed phrase was written down on paper that couldn't survive water or fire. Let's fix that. Today I'll unbox and set up the Trezor Keep Metal, a stainless steel device designed to securely store a 20-word backup. Let's jump right in. Let's start with a quick reminder about backups. There are single-share and multi-share backup options. A single-share backup is a single list of 20 words. It's safe from a mathematical standpoint. But if someone breaks into your house and gets access to a single share phrase, your crypto is gone. A multi-share backup consists of multiple 20-word lists. You choose how many you need to unlock your wallet. Let's say you have 16 shares and decide that only 14 are needed to access the wallet. So even if 2 shares are lost, you'll still be able to unlock the wallet. When you put your words on the Trezor Keep Metal, you only need the first 4 letters of each word. Here's why. Trezor picks 20 random words from a list of 1024. Each word on that list has unique first 4 letters. Take elephant as an example. The letters E, L, E, P don't start any other words on the list. So punching just those 4 letters is enough for Trezor to know you mean elephant. That's why the Keep Metal only asks for the first 4 letters of every word. Now let's unbox the Trezor Keep Metal. Peel off the wrap, remove the security seal and open the box. Right on top you will find a pre-marking pen. Use it to dot the letters before you punch. It saves time and prevents mistakes. Under the pen you'll find the spring-loaded punch tool and the Keep Metal device itself. Have your seed phrase handy and make sure no one else can see it. For this demo I'm using a completely fake seed phrase, totally useless if someone copies it. I'm marking the first 4 letters of these demo words. Use CryptoSnake link. Now I place the punch on the letter and press straight down until I hear a crisp click. Now let's double check every mark. Trezor Keep Metal has a unique design. Once you're done, you can roll up your paper copy of the phrase and slide it into the storage chamber inside the device. The Keep Metal costs $99, and if you buy 2 or more Keep Metal devices for a multi-share setup, you will get 10% off. Use my affiliate link in the description for the best price Trezor offers. Plus, I will receive a small commission from each sale. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it was helpful. As always, check out the CryptoSnake deals page for the best discounts on crypto gear and conference tickets, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Persevere and say what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.